Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. First, we're cutting a piece of fabric that measures 68 by 46 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half and sew around all four sides. Then cut right down the center, but only through the top layer. Turn the cushion inside out through the opening we made. Now fill it up with some soft stuffing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to support the channel. Finally, sew the opening closed with a needle and thread. Tie a string right in the center of the cushion and make a tight knot. You can also use a decorative string to stitch and embellish the center nicely. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to let me know when you've made this style yourself.